Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix checkout issues on Shopify. In 2025, let's dive right in. The first thing to check is whether your payment gateway is properly set up. For that, go to Settings, then Payments in your Shopify admin. Make sure your payment methods like PayPal, Stripe, or any other gateway are connected correctly. If you see any warning messages or errors about your payment provider, follow the on-screen instructions to fix them. Sometimes payment gateways require updates or additional verification to ensure smooth transactions. Next, check your shipping settings. If customers can't see shipping options during checkout, it may be due to incorrect shipping rates or zones. Go to Settings, then Shipping. If customer can't see go to Settings, then Shipping, and verify your shipping zones and rates. For all the regions you are selling to, ensure you have shipping options set for the right countries and set proper delivery times or flat rates. If you are using third-party apps for shipping, ensure those are up to date too. To identify the issue, perform a test checkout yourself. Simply add a product to your cart and go through the checkout process. Look out for any errors or missing fields like address, payment methods, or shipping options. Make sure that the checkout button works and the payment is processed correctly. If it's working for you but not for others, it may be related to specific customer settings. Sometimes the issue could be with the customer's browser cache or version. If customers report problems, ask them to clear their browser cache or try using a different browser. This can fix issues like the checkout page not loading or button glitches. Third-party apps can sometimes cause conflicts with the checkout process. To check if this is the case, temporarily disable any apps related to the checkout process, such as upsell apps, discount apps, or custom scripts. Disable the app and test your checkout again. If it works, after disabling an app, reach out to the app developer for a fix or find an alternative app. An outdated theme or version of Shopify might also cause these issues. Make sure your Shopify plan and theme are updated to the latest version. Go to online store, then themes, and if there's an update available, click update. Check the theme settings to make sure there are no outdated features conflicting with your checkout. Shopify also has built-in theme updates that ensure everything functions as it should. If none of these solutions work, it's time to contact Shopify support. They offer 24 hours to 7 days support, and their team can help you troubleshoot specific checkout issues related to your store. You can reach them via chat or email or browse their help center for more resources. To recap, check your payment gateways, review your shipping settings, test your checkout process, and clear browser caches, disable third-party apps, and ensure your Shopify theme is up to date. And if you are still having issues, don't hesitate to contact Shopify support. If you found this video helpful, hit like, share it with other Shopify store owners, and subscribe for more tips on running your online store. Thanks for watching.